Hello and welcome to this final tutorial how to create a maths game. First, click on your number sprite, then go to control and you need to get when clicked. So mine says when one clicked because I named that sprite 1. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into variables and click on change score by 1. Now, if you named your variable points, it will say change points by 1. And you need to change the number 1 to a -1. Then we're going to go into sound and you're going to get play sound. And make sure that in the drop-down list, you select wrong. And the next thing we're going to do is you're going to go into looks and you need to find the block that says hides. There we go. Okay, so far what we've programmed, and if I just quickly show you, I'm going to press the green flag. You have 20 seconds to select multiples of 2. Ready? Set, go. And as you can see, the score is 0. And if I click on 1, there we go. The score has changed to -1. And you can't hear it, but there would have been the wrong answer sound would have showed up as well. So the next step is to click on the number 1 blue sprite, then right click and select duplicate. Duplicate means copy. So I'm going to copy it. There we go. Then I need to click on the new sprite that I've just made. There we go. And I need to change it to a 2. There we go. So it's changed to 2. Next, because 2 is a multiple of 2, if someone clicks on it, the correct answer sound needs to be played and a point needs to be given to the person. So I'm going to put a 1 point. There we go. And at the moment, the sprite shows as 1. We need to change it. So go to costumes and then edit. And I need to replace that 1 with a 2. So I'm going to go back to my T tool. And then I just need to delete this number 1 and change it to a 2. There we go. And then press OK when I'm done. Excellent. So that's 1 and 2 are complete. Now I need to make the third one. Right click, press duplicate. Then make sure you click on that new sprite. Then I'm going to, well, this time I'm going to rename it to 3 because it's the third one. Then I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to change the that 2. I'm going to change it to a 3 now. And then I'm going to click on OK. And don't forget to go to your scripts. And 3 is not a multiple of 2. So the wrong answer sound needs to be played. And a very small number or negative number needs to be given out as a point. So I'll give out -1 point. Then I'm going to keep repeating the process. Duplicate the sprite. Click on the new sprite. Now this is the 4th one, so I'll name this 4. 4 is a multiple of 2, so I'm going to give out a point. So I'll change that to 1. And the correct answer sound will need to be played. There we go. I need to go to costumes and edit. And I need to change that 3 into a number 4. There we go. Then press OK. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing again. Right click on that number 4. And then press duplicate. Then click on the new sprite. Then this one is going to be number 5. And then we need to show that it's number 5. So edit. So I need to take that 4 away and replace it with a number 5. Press OK. There we go. Then I'll go to my scripts. 5 is not a multiple of 2, so I need the wrong answer sound to be played, and I want a negative number to be given out if they click on it, so -1 points. There we go. And I'm going to right click on that 5, and I'm going to press on duplicate, and I'm going to click on the new sprite, and this next one is going to be 6. So I need to change the sound to play correct sound, and then give out 1 point. Then make sure I rename it to 6. It's very important you rename the sprites. Then go to costumes and edit, and then change that 5 into a 6. There we go. And then I'll just keep repeating the whole process over and over again. So again, right click on that 6, press duplicate, click on the new sprite, change it. This one will be number 7. Then I need to click on edit because I need to change that 6 into a 7. Then I'm going to press on OK. There we go. Then go to scripts. Now 7 is not a multiple of 2, so the wrong answer sound needs to play, and a negative number needs to be given out as points. Now it's up to you. You can give -10 or -100. It's your game, so it's up to you how many points you give away or you take away. So as you can see, I'm repeating the process. This one is going to be number 8. 8 is a multiple of 2, so I'm going to give 1 point. They click on the 8. The correct sound is going to be played. Like I said, you can give 10 points or 100 points if you want to. It's your game. Costumes. Okay, I'm just going to cancel that. I should not have done that. I should have just pressed edit. That's better. And I'm going to change that 7 and make it into an 8. Then press OK. So as you can see, I'm just checking my scripts. Yep, that looks fine. Right, I'm going to play the game. Let's see what happens. I'm going to press that green flag. You have 20 seconds to select multiples of 2. Ready? set, go. There we go. So all my numbers are bouncing around. I just need to click on the multiples of 2. And as you can see, my point score is going up. There we go, because I'm clicking on all those multiples of 2. There we go. Excellent. Absolutely fantastic. And as you can see, the numbers are bouncing around everywhere, and they're doing that all on their own. And that's because it's been coded that way. There we go, and it says time over, your score is, and it will come up with your total score. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video tutorial. I'll be uploading many more Scratch video tutorials, so make sure you keep looking at the YouTube page. Thank you.